Good morning, students. Chapter 2, Units and Measurement. Yes, today's topic is significant figures. Now, what is significant figures? How to find significant figures? Okay. See, measurement of any physical quantity involves comparison with some standard. Okay. Now, for example, if I want to find one length, so obviously that length is measured with the help of scale. Scale, its least count is 0.1 centimeter. Its least count is 0.1 centimeter. Okay, so with the help of scale, if you measure length, okay, yes, it is certain about only one digit after decimal point. For example, if it is 1 line, okay, yes, it is scale. It is scale. See, it is scale. Yes, obviously, one end you have to put on 0 mark of scale. Yes or no? Yes, it is. Then yes, there are calibrations like this. Yes or no? There are calibrations like this. Yes or no? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Okay, to see what happens. What happens if this another end, if this another end of this line, it lies between, for example, it lies between, okay, one end you have to put on 0 of scale, and if other end falls, or it lies between 12.3 centimeter and 12.4 centimeter, then what is your answer? And what is your answer? Okay, if this one end is at 0 and another this end, if it lies between 12.3 and 12.4 centimeter, then what is your answer? Yes, you may write any answer. One will say, yes sir, yes, answer is length is equal to, it is 12.34 centimeter or 12.36 centimeter. One will say, sir, I can write this answer as 12.32. Why you are assuming this last number? Why you are assuming this last number? Because between 12.3 centimeter and 12.4 centimeter there are no threads. Okay, no division between 12.3 and 12.4. There are no division. Okay, because least count of scale, least count of scale is 0.1 centimeter. Least count of scale is 0.1 centimeter. So yes, you can measure this distance up to 1 digit after decimal point, certainly. Okay, but here, as this point is lying between 12.3 centimeter and 12.4 centimeter, yes, you have to write this one additional number. You have to write this one additional number, because if you write only 12.3 centimeter, is it right? No. If you write only 12.4 centimeter, again, is it right? No, because this end lies between 12.3 and 12.4 centimeter. So obviously you have to write one more digit. You have to write one more digit. But see, about this one more digit, you are not certain. Yes, you are certain about this 3 digit, 1, 2 and 3. But about this last digit, you are not certain. But still you have to write. So yes, in measurement of any physical quantities, you have to write your last answer with some certain digits plus one uncertain digit. and such all digits are called significant figures, significant digits. Okay, again here in this case, as another end lies between 12.3 centimeter and 12.4. So yes, we know that length is greater than 12.3. That length is greater than 12.3. So yes, about 12.3, 1, 2 and 3. About 3 digit we are certain. But about this last digit we are not certain. We are not certain. Okay, yes, I am saying that it is 12.36 centimeter. Another student will say, yes sir, it is 12.34. Another will say it is 12.35. So yes, about this last digit we are not certain, but we have to write. So yes, what are significant figures? What are significant figures? See, number of digits, in measurement about which we are certain, plus number of digits in measurement about which we are certain, plus one additional digit which is uncertain are called significant figures. So yes, in this case, if I want to write significant figures, about 1, 2 and 3 we are certain, but about 6 we are not certain. Okay, so it is one uncertain additional digit. So here total significant figures are 4. Clear about this? So yes, what is significant figure? Clear about this? Okay, what is significant figure? You have to remember its definition. Again, number of digits in measurement about which we are certain, plus one additional digit which is uncertain are called significant figures. Now we will see some rules for determining significant numbers, for determining significant figures. Okay, see, there are some rules. First rule, all non-zero or non-zero digits are significant. All non-zero digits are significant. For example, see, all non-zero digits are significant. For example, if you are given one number like this, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yes, 2 is non-zero, 3 non-zero, 4 non-zero, 5 non-zero. So total significant digits 1, 2, 3 and 4. So yes, here significant figures are 4. Okay, if you are given number like this, okay, 2, 3, 1, 9, 9. So yes, 2 non-zero, significant. Yes, it is also significant. So yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total significant figures are 5. Simple. So yes, all non-zero digits are significant. Any doubt? Okay. Now next one is number 2. All zeros between two non-zero digits, all zeros between two non-zero digits are significant. No matter where decimal point lies. Okay, for example, you are given one number like this. Okay, this 67.32. Yes, 67.32. 6 non-zero digit, 7 non-zero digit, 3 non-zero digit, 2 non-zero digit. So here significant figures are 4. Suppose one number is like this. It is 12003. So yes, you have two zeros. You have two zeros. And see, these two zeros are lying between 2 and 3. Means 2 non-zero. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They are called non-zeros. Okay, so yes, these two zeros lies between two non-zeros. So yes, these two zeros are considered as significant. So total significant figures are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So yes, total significant figures are 4. Clear about this? Clear about this? Okay, okay. If I have one number like this, it is 23.09. 23.09. So yes, 2 non-zero digit significant. 9 is also significant. What about this 0? This 0 lies between 3 and 9. This 0 lies between 3 and 9. Means between two non-zeros. So yes, it is significant. It is significant. So total significant figures are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So yes, total significant figures are 4. Clear about this? So yes, first rule is all non-zero digits are significant. Second, all zeros between two non-zero digits are significant, no matter where decimal point lies. Okay. Next one is number 3. If number is less than 1, if number is less than 1, if number is less than 1, then zeros on right side of decimal point, right side of decimal point, but left to first non-zero digit, are not significant. Okay, if number is less than 1, then zeros on right side of decimal point but left to first non-zero digit, they are not significant. Now what is meaning of this? See, I will write one example. If number is less than 1 means if number is like this, it is 0.0032. If number is 0.0032, then yes, as it is 0 point something, number is less than 1. Number is less than 1 means 0 point something. So see here, this 2 significant, 3 significant because they are non-zeros. Now what about these two zeros? See, these two zeros. Yes, number is less than 1. Zeros on right side of decimal point but left to first non-zero digits are not significant. It is decimal point. On right hand side, yes, it is 0. Yes, it is 0. And it is first non-zero digit. So zeros on right side of decimal point but left to first non-zero digits. These two zeros, they are not significant. So here significant figures are only 2. Clear about this? Yes. In this case, significant figures are only 2. Clear about this? Another example, if I have this 0.00013902, then in this case significant figures, see, number is less than 1 because it is 0 point something. Okay, now these three zeros, they are on right side of decimal point but left to first non-zero digit, means these three zeros are not significant. 1 significant, 3 significant, 9 significant, 2. Now about this 0, yes, this 0 is significant because it is between two non-zero digits. So yes, it is significant. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here significant figures are 5. Here significant figures are 5. Clear about this? So yes, if number is less than 1, zeros on right side of decimal point but left to first non-zero digit are not significant. Clear about these examples? Okay. Now next one is number 4. Number 4. In a number without decimal point, in a number without decimal point, in a number without decimal point, trailing zeros are not significant, are not significant. In a number without decimal point, trailing zeros are not significant. For example, if I have one number 1 to 5, in this 1 to 5, significant figures are obviously it is 3. But if I have a number 1 2 5 0 0 0, then in this case, this 1 non-zero, 2 non-zero, 5 non-zero, but these 3 zeros, trailing zeros, they are called trailing zeros. Trailing zeros means zeros after last non-zero digit. Zeros after last non-zero digits. Okay, so yes, 1 significant, 2 significant, 5 significant. These trailing zeros, they are not significant. So here total significant figures are, clear about this? So yes, in a number without decimal point, trailing zeros are not significant. Trailing zeros are not significant. Clear about this? Okay. Now, yes, last one, that is number 5. That is number 5. In a number with decimal point, in a number with decimal point, zeros on or zeros after last non-zero digit, digits are significant. Okay, in a number with decimal point, zeros after last non-zero digits are significant. It means if I have a number like this, it is 1.2340. 1 significant, 2, 3, 4. This 0 is also significant because in a number with decimal point, zeros after last non-zero digit, that is 4. After that it is 1 0. So yes, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here total significant figures are 5. If I have number like this, it is 0.56790. Okay, then number of significant figures 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So again here significant figures are, clear about this? So yes, first of all, you have to remember these 5 rules. Okay, which digits you have to consider as significant digits. Clear about this? So yes, first of all, remember these all 5 rules. Okay. Okay, you have to remember rules to find significant digits. For example, if I have some example, let it is 6.23, that is numbers of significant figures 1, 2 and 3. So yes, here significant figures are, if I have one number like this, it is 6.023, then numbers of significant figures are yes 1, 2, 3 and 4. you have to apply second rule. So number of significant figures 1, 2, 3 and yes, here it is 4. If I have a number like this 0.006023, then in this case number of significant figures, these two zeros, they are not significant, but this zero is significant. So total significant digits 1, 2, 3 and 4. So yes, 4 significant figures. Okay, if you have a number like this 06023 000, then yes, these trailing zeros, they are not significant. Then significant digits are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So yes, significant figures are 4. Significant figures are 4. Clear about this? Now, if I say I have one number like this, I have one number like this. It is 6.023 into 6.023 into 10 raised to 6. Then in this number, significant digits are see 6.023 into 10 raised to 6. If you simplify this, you will get 6023. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes or no? This is equal to this. Okay, so yes, significant, but they are not significant. So total significant figures are 4. Yes, total significant figures are 4. So if you are given one number like this, it is 6.023 into 10 raised to 25. In this case, significant figures are obviously 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, 6 significant, 2 significant, 3 significant. This 0 is between 6 and 2, means it is also significant. And it's all trailing zeros, they are not significant. So here total significant figures are clear about this? If I have a number like this 3.25 into 10 raised to minus 6, 3.25 into 10 raised to minus 6, then number of significant figures. Yes, 3.25 into 10 raised to minus 6 means 3.25 divided by 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Yes or no? Yes. So you will get your number something like 0.0000325. Yes or no? Yes. In which this 3 is significant, 2 and 5, and all zeros between decimal point and first non-zero decimal point, they are not significant. So in this case, total decimal points they are clear about this? Okay, so yes, such examples you have to remember. Now I will give you homework, means yes, I will write some number. You have to find significant figures, and you have to write that significant figures in comment. First, find significant figures. Okay. Two 3091990 23.09 2309 into 10 raised to 6. Okay, then 0.002309, then 0.230900 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, you have to write significant figures for 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. And yes, you have to write your answer in comment box. You have to write your answer in comment box for these 5 questions. Okay, so yes, in this lecture, what is significant figure? Rules for significant figure. Now in next lecture we will see which significant figures we have to take when we do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and rules for round off. Clear? So for today's lecture, this is it.